The problem that we encountered in Parañaque City College are the trash that can be seen in almost every end corner of the school. This trash or waste makes the surroundings of the school looks dirty or unpleasant, especially if there are visitors in school. This problem happened because there are not enough trash can or bins in every floors. There are also times that the students practice improper waste disposal because they are not motivated enough to throw their trash in trash cans because usually it is far in their classrooms.
This problem can be addressed through a simple and practical solution. The school can place trash can or bins in every classroom. They can also place trash cans in canteen, library, or student lunch. Second, the school should have a reminders or seminars when it comes to cleanliness so that the students can practice proper disposal. Furthermore, they can place posters, signs, or reminders encouraging students to dispose their trash and waste properly.
In conclusion, this problem can be solved if the students, faculties, staffs cooperate or work together to improve the school cleanliness. By placing trash cans in different classrooms and encouraging students to practice proper waste management, the school can be pleasant and clean.